Hello everybody, this is Brad Wood again, and I have another video in our What's New in CommandBox 5 screencast series. So this is a fun little feature that allows you to use FusionReactor to actually monitor what's happening inside the CLI. Now, you do need to have a FusionReactor license in order to do this. You can use the trial if you sign up for a trial, or if you have a developer license, which is perfect. You do need to have a license that covers any JVMs you run on your personal computer to do this. So the documentation for this is found under the Developing for CommandBox section. At the bottom we have FusionReactor for the CLI. And just to be very clear, this is not using FusionReactor to monitor a web server that you start from CommandBox. This is actually using FusionReactor to monitor the CLI itself, because the CommandBox CLI is running Java. It runs on top of Java, and it's actually an instance of a Lucy server running. There's just no ports involved. There's no web browsers. It's just a pure command line execution of Lucy. But it's still Lucy. It's still Java. It's still a JRE under there, and you can still attach you can still attach FusionReactor to it, and you can monitor what it does. So what we've done in CommandBox 5 is we've used the FusionReactor API, or FRAPI as they call it, the FR API, and FusionReactor will automatically detect if CommandBox will automatically detect if FusionReactor is present on the JVM, and if so, CommandBox will tell FusionReactor what's going on. Hey, I'm running a directory listing command. Hey, I'm starting a server. So it'll push information over to FusionReactor, and you can use this for several different use cases. Maybe you're writing task runners for automating things, and you just want to be able to monitor what's happening inside of your task runners. Maybe you're writing custom commands for CommandBox, and you want to be able to